What's up, gang? It's the next day, and today I got some stuff to do, some to-do stuff on the Caprice. I've been holding out for a minute, but I finally got time today, and I'll be installing some stuff. Cut. Let me see what's up right now. So I got this amp. I mean, I know it ain't nothing too expensive, but I want to see. I never wired a 4-channel amp. This is for my. I'm gonna put them in the box Chevy actually. Um, I've been having it for about a month. Nah, not like for 6 months probably. This amp. I never even messed with it. I think my kid's been stabbing it with a knife. Hopefully. Yeah, it's still good. It's how much is it? 1100 watts by 4. I've never installed a 4-channel amp, and I hope I got the right wiring kit. Comes with some cool stickers. I don't know what this is for. What is this? I don't know what the hell that's for. Here it is. Man, don't even come with a manual or what? Probably did. I probably lost it. But here's the amp. Hold on real quick. And these are the specs for the amp I have right there. Just in case y'all wanted to know. Specs. All right, so that's the amp right there. Like I said, came with these two things and some little package of screws. And then I also got this wiring kit. This is a SCAR, yeah. 2000 watts, 1 0 gauge, audiophile grade RCA cables. So we got this wiring kit. This was like $100. Yeah. And then I also got this. I just ordered just for the hell of it. They're like little lights you put underneath the seats or underneath the dash. But I don't know why it came. I didn't even know it came like this with this thing. But I'm gonna see if I can hardwire it. They turn like different colors and stuff. It's like 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it comes with 4, like 3M tape or whatever. But so basically, let me see. It's basically like running a regular amp, like a monoblock, but it's 4 channels. So I'm gonna hook up the 6x9s and probably the 2 front ones if it can handle the power. I got some tweeters too, some big like they're DS18 tweeters, but I don't know where to mount them yet. So for right now, I think I'm just gonna wire all those. So I'll cut y'all back out right now. See what my game plan is. Oh, I'm gonna run the wiring kit first. It's pretty simple. I don't know if I should. You guys want me to record it, but I'm gonna start installing it, and then I'll give you like a quick video of how I installed it. All right, gang. Actually, before I even start, I'm gonna show you how it sounds right now without the amp. All right, I'm just gonna play something and y'all see what's up, and then I'm gonna show you the clip after I'm done with the amp installing it, so you can see or you can hear the difference. Maybe you won't be able to hear it that much because it's a phone. You know what I'm saying? It can't record as good, but it's gonna be a little sample. All right, so I got the iPad. I'm just gonna play something, and I'm playing all right, some Twister. I'm just gonna play it a little bit because I ain't trying to get copyrighted. You feel me? All right, that was a little sample right there. And I'm gonna cut you back on when I'm done wiring everything with my big ass mess. Oh, I still kept the. So I know what's 4 ohm or 2 ohm. 4 ohm. All right, I'm gonna hook it up. Cut y'all back right now, gang. All right, gang. So I am gonna cheat a little bit because I do have these tweeters right here. These big fuckers. Oh, Wow, almost had a blooper there, my guy. But yeah, these are the ones I got. I'm gonna go ahead and see where I can put these at. I'll probably put them in that middle, the middle deck area I have right there, the center. Yeah, that one right there. So that way we could hear the voice. And I think I'm gonna leave these connected straight to the Alpine. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. And then just have the back deck all powered by the amp. So let me continue doing this. I'm still running the wire. All right, gang. So I ran all the wires. There's the RCAs, the remote wire, and that's the power wire. And I think, well, I took off this back deck, and I'm gonna be installing these tweeters right back here. I think I have an idea of how to do it. I just gotta do some measuring. I can probably just mount them straight to this metal plate, like how these 6x9s are. Well, we'll see right now. Cut right back on. All right, guys. So I got them work kind of like where I want them. See, I traced it with the Sharpie. Do these little things right here for the terminals. Terminal over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these out of the way. There they are. I'm gonna cut them out and I'm gonna set them in and see how they look. I'm gonna use a drill bit. I'm gonna go ahead and drill it. Drill the pilot hole or the starter hole. Then I'm gonna cut it with some of those metal shears I have. See how it comes out. All right, I drilled the pilot hole right there, right there. I think that's good enough for my scissors to my metal shears. The snips fit in there. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut around there and I cut you back. All right, gang, so I cut it and those scissors didn't really work. I mean, look at that. So I came up with another idea. I'm gonna cut a piece of board right there. I'll make like a template. I already made the circles where the tweeters are gonna go. And I'm just gonna mount this plate on top of that metal in the back deck. So I already traced it. I'm gonna cut those circles out. I'm gonna cut this, and I'm gonna screw this wood actually onto the metal. That's what I'm talking about. I'll show you what I'm talking about right now a little bit. All right, gang, I got them mounted up. You see how I was talking about? Got them like this, and I'm just gonna cut the wood off. That little where I traced it, I'm gonna fasten it right there. And we should be good. All right, gang, I got the two tweeters in right here. I still need to screw it in and then put the screws right there. I'm just showing you how it looks right now. And I think I figured out how to wire up this 4-channel amp. So I was looking at it and it says channels 1 and 2 are on this side. You can mess with channels 1 and 2. And channel 3 and 4, you can mess with it over here with like bass boost and stuff. So I'm assuming 3 and 4, I'm gonna use it for my mids, the 6x9s. And this side, 1 and 2, I'm using for my tweeters. I didn't know you could do that. So it's pretty cool. Still gotta hook this up. I want to make an amp rack, but really don't know how to make it yet. So for right now, I'm just gonna put the amp right here, wire it up, and see how she sounds. But let me get all this thing situated, and I'm gonna show you how it sounds. All right, gang, I got everything wired up. Here's all the speakers. They're all right here. All the speakers are right here. The ones that I'm running off the amp, they're all back here. Two tweeters again. The two 6x9s, one over there, one over there. Ground goes right there. I know it's a little cheap one for now. Power goes over there. These RCAs were for 4 channels. They had like four wires. So I'm gonna go ahead and uh, put the power on and see if this thing even starts or it turns, if it even turns on. All right, so all right, you guys, in the back of the stereo, it has like 6 outputs. 4 for like the 4-channel amp, and those 2 right there are for the subwoofers. So when I get the mono black amp, I'm gonna connect the RCA's, which I already have them ran right here, but I'm not gonna connect them yet until I get the amp, until I get my subs. So get everything wired up. Hopefully we got some sound. All right, let's see. So the stereo's on. There it goes. So the amp should be on. All right, lit up. So we do got power to it. Now we're gonna put some music to it. Then we'll adjust the whatever those called, those adjustments. So again, I had to cut the video because the damn car died. Right when I was about to test out this amp, the damn car died. I guess it let the door open or something. The light was on for too long. But it's still dead right now. But I'm gonna push it outside his garage, and my lady's truck's back there, so we're gonna jump it, and we'll be able to test out the sounds. I'll cut you back right. I'm gonna get my son to help me. Fuck all that. Got big boy right here helping. Mr. Watch, look at his haircut, guys. What do you guys think about his hair?
Oh, I got no haircut, chill.
All right. Go ahead, handle it. Hold on, let me put it on neutral. Ready? All right, go ahead, gang. Damn, you're strong as hell. You push it like nothing. Woo, woo, woo. All right, there. You trying to stop me there? All right, go behind my big white truck. I think I have jumper cables in there. Thank you, sir. All right, we got jumper right now with these jumper cables. I'm gonna take this kid for a spin because secretly those tweeters are his. He doesn't know he donated them to me yet until he's about to find out right now. You got him or what? Loud as hell, huh?
Yeah, I ain't lying.
I should turn it up a little bit before I get copyrighted. Yeah, again, this shit's loud as fuck with the corridos. My boy trying to open up the door. All right, gang, you guys heard it. It's super loud. Everybody in the block was looking at us, right? Cruising. All right, close that. You guys, your hand over there, my friend. You want to close the garage door? All right, gang. That's it for this one. They're installed. The next one we'll probably do the amp rack. I'll probably order some subs. I still got that going on right now. Peace out, gang. Yeah, gang, this shit's pretty loud. Sounds good, clear. Inside, forget about it, bro. It's super loud. It sounds pretty decent out here. For the speakers being way back in the deck, it sounds pretty good.